what you can do with Zapier. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it all with Zapier and let's see what we can do with Zapier. So with Zapier, you would be able to automate your current workflow of different applications and you won't be requiring any developers for it. Like in earlier days, you would require developers to build different automations for your business, but currently even if the business is small or even if you want to do it for your personal uses, you can use Zapier in order to make your life quite easy. And Zapier comes quite handy, and there are more than 6,000 applications out there that can be automated using Zapier. And also the good thing is that Zapier also helps you with the data collected from the applications that you connect with Zapier. And instead of hiring anyone, you would be able to just use this application of Zapier or this platform of Zapier, and this way just automate it. There are certain interfaces like the design forms, web pages, or basic applications that you can use without the need of any code, and this way you would be able to utilize the features of Zapier. Also, you need to create different zaps or different commands you can give out on Zapier that will trigger certain events using events, and this way your applications would be able to work automatically. And you can also get the tables where the data will be stored for your Zapier, and this way you would be able to analyze the working of your workflow quite easily. So these are some ways that you can use Zapier for and in order to automate your current workflow. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.